minor than the politics. They say minor. Yeah, who be that say we say pay. That yeah, NDC MPP. We say pay. NDC beto Ghana. MPP beto Ghana. A plus dear. The yellow crowd bruchili kowa, Can you for your tadia or Koshana come ahoy area with bruchila, yam penny, or no Ghana for Muntianica. Ghana for Canufuriata on Jemo dollar. No on Jim City Suda. And I'm the president cannot him. Yeah, no person can move the NDC fund about the campaign. And I'm Nanado Neka not him or no convoy. I'm not talking about state ministers, so may come another Nankaza convoy. I was 3 cars heading another buy. Did you see those cars? Or no any cars? Some who Lexus, no. He sat in the Lexus yesterday. Some who ya. Monsieur Numbo ne say Ghana for Sika. Now, President, you are better now, so dear, or to me first car, Echo ye car, I did DNA encoded car, a DNA encoded car, or none in the personal driver and quantity to near you. As near the Ghana Sikanato. What are you people talking about? Monsieur Andramu parade, no. Well, we must have to cross state car, no, Konakoji free in some. Because Makasama fed their phone, wabre 2020, or didn't pay chair match. Still, I was one Jimmy Pibia. Monfa the pro bono. Mahama dear, what Jenny dear, a Jimmy for Southern and I am Timakumano. Mahama dear, what does Jenny dear? Nigger Jenny dear. I'm also got the corona, then John also as the former president here, or was Gano, or the Onusi. Why is Mama not doing that? No more than no home about the visa, the Onusi check Ghana, mine said the other Buagan, and they said, Onumo, they said Ghana, for the God will never forgive you people for what you are doing to Ghana because of 4 years of power. God will never forgive NDC, especially this current leader with John Dramani Mahama as the leadership. God will never forgive you guys. Anything you plot in the darkness shall come to open to always disgrace you like he's been doing always. And yet fair. And yet fair. And yet fair. Mahama no tu kwanya no the jet na eko. Akufado di bi ko edi abui. Adey. Akufado edi enko. Musu diska wasi yo minji mi pay am pass papa 2020 March or announce yes one diska till date one in sika. Go and look at the expenses. Sika corporate and president one na dia sub ya dey run the place no. Last I met the pastor finally. Honorable Kodo Ponkroma, Eba Betchere Niamabim, and office of the president, 3 billion. Office of the president, 3 billion. 3 billion. I can't say a go. Because Ghana need the Unimane headline. 3 billion, Kufadi 3 money. Yakoshe 1 billion Kwanko Kufadu. On one Kasani office in the amount here, go and look at it. Why do we always want people to toy with us? Why do we always allow people to toy with us? Now you nyansenia. Papa Penny, we a lecturer. Who said you take your orders from Sami Jenfi? A small boy who has not even won one case. He doesn't know nothing about the economy. He's the one that you will take your economics figures from. You will ignore FinTrack. You will ignore IMF. You will ignore all the World Bank and the people that grades every country. And you rather take NDC press conference and use that for propaganda because you want to come for 4 years. Are you people fucking serious? Are you people fucking serious? Mr. Me Andra, my hope and faith in Ghana got renewed. In Ghana, I have to know. A soldier forecast will use me. A police forecast are using a kufa beyan your thing. Oh, I say ambulance in any and a sasso money. Some say a throw. I can't know why. Who yet yes a codumpo, bra ambulance, be crossing your ambulance. Ambulance near. Ambulance has stretch a papa them. Ambulance impair them. You want shock absorbers now. Now codia. You to me the shock Bruno Yane and you been a room. Your smart was some ambulance. No more to Toyota his any the hood grace. Hyundai Grace. Any in some Toyota has Hyundai Grace, and I'm a cotton Yabogana Foka. One casta will find a crack at say, Health Minister Kachram say, these vehicles are not fit for purpose, so don't pay. Yes, I told first and call you man my glasses sees money into my sign. And a Marco Park Gubema camp and a Abba banker. No, coffee ambulance, Baba banker this cano. I no more about the catch ready on coffee ambulance, Papa. State of the art, ultra modern ambulances, Benz, Papa B. Ebe Gugana. Elgia mine, Elgia Kra. Hey, then to Momo there. Seriously, Momo there. Mr. Marco, you wanted me to add you. Yeah, I think I see how to add you. So don't worry, I'll add you soon. So that me and you can talk a bit more. I just want to take the Mahama speech, and collaborate it with your president's speech for you to know something. Now, Adiebi Eche Memagene during the parade. Sister Betty, who said these days I'm on you a lot? Tell your husband, say I'm on you not because of anything, I'm on you because I want you to stand firm and boost other women to come out. Andra Adiebi see what parade in the so. I make us say, not TV can hear but they are never close to the any and share. Who say army officers are only leading most of the brigades and the marches here by any nano, who lead the various no most of them. No, did you people see? Emma, this is your time. This is your time. Emma, at heavy artillery. Unity and Kenya, yes, your bar lady. Hey, now your bar. This is not the time to be alive as a woman in Ghana. Finally, what a man can do, a woman can do better. Was storybook mono. I feel the reality. Emma Ghana, Yeko, and Mana, lead squadrons near the idea, thing, a man, lead squadrons in Ghana. Hey, any Ghana, any Charlie, because yes, you crab moon. Yes, one of crab moon. I didn't hear, cause Mahama made it 4 years. Hey, then to me, I saw some Mahama or bow, that's the abonament. Yay, whatever number. Because I tell you 12 years, so yeah, who the are you? Huh? What's number 12 years? Yeah, who the are not a single thing we saw him do. 4 years now, can you moon or the no moon or the best baby? I could say, I'm a mini abema. Messy, oh, I now only be, Messy, Anna make us a one for way. May Randrano, may say that go back. Echo share jelly dear, echo share Tamiris dear, me share Kufo dear, na me share Kufado dear, na me dear, me then military machinery no display no. Military for names, hey Ghana, we have all these heavy artilleries, and we sit down. Now you're small boy be say we did the army for them. You the army, when NDC come to power, we will show you where power lies. Hey. Ghana army. Now, will be so you face the country as a freedom fighter. No, I did the army for them, left, right, center. I'm in the crowd, Jimmy for army, Jimmy for. We didn't cancel Rollins and Tiase. Because I'm Kedia Baby wrote to Mumma Nebi Pew, who said, when no more fan chemi, and then I am my graphic, I grab a more fan chemi. Because sometimes, and some will come of war, and no answer was send a condom. Because so born raw, not Ghana, you know what you say, yeah, Jimmy, Yami. This is a police dogs, you. Police K9, Ghana K9 unit. Hey, yes, you're police with a K9 unit. Yes, Baumia as the head of the council of head person on the police council. Or the son near my way in our police for was about Baumia. Hey, sir, Moncoswe. Why? Monkoso, I'm with Mahama 4 years in tea. Papa Bia, baby Biano, Montutuna Seven. Why? Now, Monsano, sir, because me no make you know one man. Ubi to Barbados. Brat, welcome. Andra woman, Nekasamina Mitina, no say, hey. Don't let nobody tell you you have no reach anywhere to say lie. Because here in Barbados, we are here because we want to come and learn how you practice your democracy. I am the car, you want to make me attempt. Who attempted to be a cody, yes, and Tuano free Barbados, but on some America. What's the share? What does it mean? Only problem was in Kuno. Not the Yagumana. Hey, no baby, I'm going to be Barbados, Yaba, Yabes, Sabe, Africa for baby, the free trade, Akokrano, Yafan, South Africa, yes, here, the Abagana. Hey, you people want to know Ghana. The future is so bright. This woman was talking about the fact say Ghana was the place because most of them were transported through. Like this woman recognized and who said the speech, Honorable Olsen, please don't go, you will join me soon. Unim said, I will add you to the Unim said, all my speech Nibiano say Ochoko gains here. Now by name make it now I done any not the reverend night I'm an Kufado. It was when your president Nana Akufo-Addo come and then the Noaka. It was when your president was all that she was singing. What are you talking about? What are you people doing to Ghana?